How's it going, guys? My name is Dustin, aka Crop Dustin on TikTok and Instagram. Today, we're gonna be teaching you over the hill. Give you a little showcase real quick. So that's one variation. The other one is with a grip on the top. And then from the other side. And then with the grip. So to do this move, you're gonna start out with an inward figure 8 in the wheel plane, perpendicular to your point of view. And you're going to begin by rolling it up your body, very similar to the escalator trick. But once you get to the top, instead of catching it and absorbing the momentum, you wanna flow with the momentum. So if you're doing the no grip and the just kind of flick over the top, let it ride up your arm. And then at the top, just give it a little flick with your wrist, but don't grab the Flowstar. And then let it cascade down your shoulders, just like a shoulder roll. If you're doing the fixed grip, you're gonna catch it very similar to the escalator trick. However, you're just gonna keep that momentum going for one beat and then toss it to cascade down your shoulders. And that toss is a little weird. It might feel a little uncomfortable for some of you because you're gonna be doing a thumb flick with it. If you don't know how to do a thumb flick, check out the fundamentals of throwing and catching tutorial, and that'll teach you how to do it. Now we'll do it one more time just so you guys can see it. And then the flick. Awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and we'll answer as best as we can. Thanks, have a good day.